is your girl Staciewo. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today, honey, I created this cool pop color eye, and if you want to see how I created this look, make sure you guys keep on watching. First, let me put my hair back because, honey, it's been crazy for me, okay? I hope everybody went out and voted. That's number one, okay? Number two, I was sick all week. Let me grease for my babies. Cause girl, it was a crazy week this week, but I made it through. We're gonna be starting off with eyebrows, starting off with pomade. Y'all already know how I be doing. And I use my e.l.f. pomade, but let me jump into my ear spun really quick and pat some right over these eyes or whatever to get this grease up on up out of here. You know how we do, okay? So y'all, why I was sick though? Feeling like I'm about to die, go to the hospital sick. Like my body shut down. Do you hear me? See, lately I've been working and just working real hard, y'all. Like when I tell you I just been like work. I just been like work. It just shut down on me. It said, girl, oh, you ain't gonna stop? Oh, we got something for you. And straight shut it down, y'all. Sometimes God will shut you down, and I really feel like God shut me down for a couple of days and told me to rest. So now we're gonna be jumping into the e.l.f. You guys already know, and this is in the color Deep Cinnamon, and I'm just gonna be taking this and cleaning up my eyebrows. But yeah, let me tell you how I got sick. So I had went and got my nails done, right? And it was raining that day. Caught myself running out to get my nails done, and honey, from that rain, I got sick as a dog. Had a whole head cold, body ache, just the whole nine, honey. I was not used to it because I've been doing so good with my content, and my content is very important to me. You know what I'm saying? And I didn't know that I was working like the way I was working because it just shut me down. It was like, girl, sit down. You're not doing no videos, you're not doing no shoots, you're not doing nothing. And mind you, I felt it coming on Friday, right? So my last shoot was Friday. I'm gonna be jumping into my Fenty Beauty in the color 350. You already know, boo. Bow, okay. But yes, y'all, oh my God, my body was hurting so bad, and then I had to keep my kids away from me because you know your kids be wanting to be up under you, and I wanted to be up under them. And then my youngest daughter, she ain't even really care, jumped on the bed and just jumped on my neck and was like, hey mom. I'm like, stay away from mommy. Take it easy on your body. Don't be like me, y'all. And y'all should already know what palette we jumping into too. I definitely got another palette coming. It's just not here yet. It'll be here soon. So till then, deal with it. Oh, okay. Carnival palette by Staciewo. We're going to be starting off with Mood. But yes, who has listened to Queen Naija album? You ain't going nowhere, baby. It's so mean. I just love her album, and I'm so proud of her. But yes, y'all, we're gonna just be stamping that right on up in there. We're gonna stamp it. I will say that being sick taught me that I really don't never want to be sick again. I was really upset about being sick. So now we're gonna be jumping into Soft Spot. And we just gonna take that and we just gonna blow that out with this M562, the blending. So you know I'm crazy, y'all. But what did I do while I was sick? I did do a lot of resting. I did watch a lot of movies. One of my movies that I watched because Tommy, she made me watch it. She looked so decent for Halloween. She was the girl off of Basic Instinct, and that movie was like so thorough. It's like certain movies that's like classics. I might be old for this, but Passenger 57. If anybody has ever seen Passenger 57, put it in the comments. Or Face Off. I know movies. Let's talk about it. Can I take a break and get some water? Because I'm thirsty. But yes, what y'all been doing? Y'all miss me? Because I missed you, okay? And if I ever cannot provide you guys 3 videos, this is why. I'm sick, okay? I still got a stuffy nose and stuff, but I said, hold up. As long as my voice don't sound like, how you doing, baby? I'm doing a video. You figured it? Like, no. So now we're going to take a bigger brush and we're going to jump into Shuffle. This color right here. We're going to tap that, tap in. And we're going to blend that out real quick because we need this to start looking like something. We need to start looking like a bomb. You know what I mean? Let me tell you something. One thing about my blending is getting better. It's getting better. Gonna get better and better and better and better. Now we're gonna jump right back into that mood. And we just gonna darken it up just a little bit. Just darken it up real good. You know what I'm saying? Just go back in that crease just a little bit. And this is the E42. I really love the Sigma brushes. And I know Sigma brushes are a little expensive. Some brushes from Sigma is a must. Like, you just gotta have a couple of them Sigmas in your kit. Especially if you want that blend to be precise. You know what I'm saying? I gotta have some brushes that'll help me, you know? We're going to take some of this Rumor 2 base, and this is the Plouise. I'm going to jump into this M213 brush, and we're going to just jump into this Venus palette. I love this baby blue, and this baby blue is called Filter. Honey, I love this baby blue. And just tap that right in the middle, and just make sure I'm just tapping that, covering that really, really good. You know what I'm saying? Because I wanted like a matte look. I didn't want any type of shimmer. Usually, you know, I'm always doing some shimmer. Like, I do not feel like doing no shimmer. I'm not doing no shimmer today. And then I was like, yeah, I'm gonna do shimmer today. Then I was like, no, you're not gonna do shimmer today. You're gonna do some matte. So then that's just what I did. Then I would just take a little fluffy brush, and then that's when I just tap all over it. Go right back into that dark color and just clean up right here. You gotta keep going back and forth when you're doing this kind of eye. Highlight this brow bone real quick. Yeah, highlight. So now since I have that down, I'm going to take this white eyeliner and I'm going to lay this right on my eye. Alright, and before we jump into under eye, we're going to be jumping into the Mitchel Plouise, and this is in the color Nitro. I hope I had this right. We're gonna take that mood and we're gonna touch it right under the eye. We're just gonna be packing that right on up under there. You know what I'm saying? Now we're gonna be jumping into that soft spot, and we're just going to blend those edges out real good. Blend it real good. So we're going to be jumping right into face. So I already moisturized my face with the Estee Lauder, but we're going to definitely be jumping into this Fenty Beauty. Y'all already know that this is my favorite little primer that I use. But yes, it feels so good to be better. I do not never want to be that sick again. So now since we have that down, we're going to be jumping into the Estee Lauder, and this is the Double Wear Foundation in the color Deep Spice. Bam, bam, bam. You know what I'm saying? Bam, bam, bam. And you don't need a lot. I'm just going to take my NYX brush and I'm just going to go all over my face and just blend that in real good. You know what I'm saying? You make me want to throw my hands up. And this foundation is like definitely what it's hitting for. Like, now we're going to jump into my favorite contour and highlight, and we're definitely going to be jumping into the Charlotte Tilbury. The coverage on this, honey, is impeccable, delightful, amazing, and it's worth it, okay? This Charlotte Tilbury ain't no joke, baby. When my boo Lauren put me on this, I said, oh, you love me. You love me. You love me. I know. I am a hot mess. So now we're going to lighten it up because you already know how we do. And we just going to lay this right in the inside just like that. You know, a little bit right there. A little bit right there. And a little bit right there. Okay, now we're just going to blend this out. But overall, guys, this week was really challenging, but at the same time, the rest was definitely needed, okay? Got into my word a little bit more and just chilled, you dig? So now since I have that down, we're going to jump into contour, and I'm just going to, I don't know, I just want a little extravagant contour today. Being a little extravagant. I might still take it easy on the contour and the nose though. Just gonna contour to just this part, you know. I'm her. You feel me? I need to bake really quick. I'm going to jump into this e.l.f. tan. Hurry up and bake. Oh baby, I like it. Bake and bake me. And also, I didn't even get dressed for Halloween. I was so sick. Like, it was so many people that just looked so decent. So I was so happy I was able to see like other people like, you know, like kill it. Now I'm just gonna take a bigger brush and I'm gonna jump into that Mocha Mommy and just warm up my face just a little bit more. Spray a little bit. Okay, so now we're going to be jumping into highlight using the Gold Luxe. Just giving it to him just a little bit. Just a little bit. Not a lot, baby girl. Just a little bit there. We're just going to take Night Mauve and we're just gonna line the lips. And then we're gonna just jump right into my fave, and this is the L. And then we're just gonna lay that right there on top. Then jump right back into that e.l.f. So this is the final look, and I'm really feeling this look. Okay, go with me. I go with me. Psych no, but if you are really feeling this look, don't forget to smash that like button and also leave me a comment down below. Also, my boo, if you made it this far to the video, I mean, what did you waiting for? You feel what I'm saying? Subscribe to the kid. You know you feeling me, I'm feeling you too, boo. Let's get to know each other, and don't forget to also hit that notification bell button either, because you do not want to miss my upcoming videos. So with that being said, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to keep God first. Period. And I will see you, boo, in my next video. Mwah. Peace.